Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So this is live price prediction of Polygon. What's going on and what we will need, my friends, to do this in the same time to get a lot of good profits now. So let's start this brand video. Please, my friends, if you are new my channel now, just only click out and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will subscribe our YouTube channel, my friends. Thank you so much. Alright, in this time, as you can see, my friends, just in only after a very long time, my friends, I will come back now. So therefore I will notify you to don't do any mistake to be safe from the lost. So thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. Please, in upcoming time there is a possible to we will do a very good profit trading now. So therefore I will notify you to please be ready for a good time. I hope in upcoming times we are going to trading now. So thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.